Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Dell S3222DGM Best Settings. If you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content, and watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. Here you will see. These are the best settings for your Dell monitor. These are the basic settings. Brightness should be 70 to 80. Adjust based on your room lighting. Contrast should be 75. Sharpness should be 50. Response time fast. Input color format RGB. Smart SDR off. And this is the color setting. Preset mode custom color. Red should be 98. Green should be 94. And blue should be 97. Color temperature. User defined based on personal preference. These values aim for a balanced look. And these are the game settings. Refresh rate should be 165 Hz. Enable it in your GPU setting as well. AMD FreeSync Premium on if supported by your GPU. Response time fast. Dark stabilizer 0. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.